Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting in the middle of a lot of turmoil, as I know we all are, with COVID and all the ramifications of that, financial, cultural, emotional, not beyond the physical. And then fires. Have some people, pretty close people, who have lost a lot in the fires. And finally, the shooting in Kenosha. Each of those things, especially the racialized violence, is like a little tear in the heart. It's like just like a little rip. And I'm not sure that all those rips can get repaired. There just seem to be so many. And so I want to dedicate this morning's class to resilience, to doing the best we can to be buoyant in the face of all the little rips. So I'm going to ask you to get comfortable either in a seated position, and for a lot of people that's not comfortable, I understand that. Please lie down, because we'll be lying down in a moment anyway. And I just want you to place your hand over your hands somewhere over your heart center, and kind of give care to that part of you. Those little tears, those little rips. It's not the big, dull ache of heartbreak, but it's sharper. And it feels like it's happening to us from the outside. We're just imagining that the intention of your hands on your own body can bring some comfort and some balm to all the little tears. We'll dedicate the class to our own resilience, but maybe our own resilience can contribute to some wider system. Because we can't go on with the torn hearts, the collective hearts. We can't do that, I don't think.